what should I do? I had to feed my fucking family. What else could I do? Gonna be a thug. I'm slanging with the homies, fuck hanging with them phonies in the club. Got my mind on danger. Never been a stranger to homicide. My city's full of gang bangers and drive-bys. Why do we die at an early age? He was so young, but still a victim of the 12 gauge. My memories of a corpse, mind full of sick thoughts, and I ain't going back to court. So fuck what you thought. I'm drinking Hennessy, running from my enemies. When I let it be 23, there's so much pain. They got me mobbing like I'm lost and ready to get my slug on. I load my clip